In a quiet corner of the room, where dust and daylight softly bloom, a cat and mouse begin a fight. One with power, one with fright. Our voices rise in pointed tone, neither wanting to stand alone. Yet the balance isn't fair, still their conflict fills the air. This is where the truth divides, where old desire and doubt collide. Power leans with heavy sway, shadows speak in their own way. Even when the scales are tipped and the words turn sharp and clipped, still the heart must face the call to stand with honesty through it all. Every move reveals the weight of choices we negotiate. Sometimes fear becomes the guide, sometimes pride stands at our side. Though the mouse may wish to flee and the cat claims victory, both reflect a deeper tone, fighting battles of their own. This is where the truth divides, where old desire and doubt collide. Power leans with heavy sway, shadows speak in their own way. Even when the scales are tipped and the words turn sharp and clip, clip, still the heart must face the call to stand with honesty through it all. Facing imbalance reveals the path toward